I'm John Boots. I'm 24 years old. I started working in Intel just over a year ago now. I took a short summer after university and then started in Intel and got thrown in the deep end with the design work with them. So to get to Intel, I chose electrical and electronic engineering because I loved solving problems, either creating something new which helped or made something more efficient. I knew I wanted to do engineering, and electrical and electronic just seemed like the most obvious to me because the world is made purely by electronics now. There's more and more being created every year. I just thought it would be great to be involved in that creation process, to see how all that works and help create something myself that hundreds of people will use every day. Probably the best bit about my degree was the broad range of subjects. Soon enough I was studying how some of the smallest electronics in the world were created, and that stuff just fascinated me. Through the broad range of subjects in the course, I really got to pick and choose what I did and didn't like and moved into an area that I did like. So whenever I was finishing my degree, there was a large selection of companies that were looking to hire people in all different ranges of subjects. So if you really enjoyed the subject and were a bit passionate about it, most companies are willing to take you on. I got picked up from Queen's 3 months before I finished my degree, so I already knew at the end that I was going into a job. And now I'm working for Intel, which is one of the largest semiconductor manufacturers in the world.
We are announcing the Infinity Performance Engineering Academy, where you come to work with the team in Milton Keynes. You're getting an Infinity company car. This is the opportunity of a lifetime for graduates coming out of engineering school to intern at Infinity Red Bull Racing for 1 year.
The Academy is a stunning and wonderful opportunity. We're looking for good engineers.
It's about working hard, wanting to make a difference. They'll have to demonstrate exactly their caliber in order to be able to win this prize. It's a real deep dive into what makes Infinity engineering in Cranfield different from Formula One and how to bridge that gap.
Actually, when we start developing the project, we have a briefing, a really rough briefing coming from our bosses saying, for example, the car should be small or big or 4 doors or 2 doors or sporty or luxury or family and so on. And then we have a little time to sketch something around that.
Wir fangen wirklich mit diesem Werkzeug an, wir zeichnen, gehen von der Zeichnung ins Tonmodell und nur in der Automobilindustrie wird er so exerziert und führt natürlich dann auch zu der Qualität.
It's a small product that embraces the whole design features from Volkswagen. We have everything on it. Pure, simple and solid. That's what the Volkswagen stands for.
Keep it simple war das Motto. Man sieht schon, es ist wirklich sehr simpel, dennoch nicht langweilig meines Erachtens nach. Es ist wohl ausgewogen, hochwertige Materialien, bisschen Chrom, bisschen Glanz, ein bisschen Wagenfarbe und ich glaube, dieses Interieur wird in 10 Jahren noch gut aussehen.